Hi everyone, this is Ingrid from Old Town Charm, and today I am making vanilla hot process soap. Now, this video is not going to be how to do it, or I'm not going to explain the process of this soap, but I wanted to show you this video because no matter if you use titanium dioxide, if you use vanilla fragrance or vanilla essential oil or anything with vanilla, it will darken your soap. And this happened to me with this soap. I wanted to make a nice plain white soap with the vanilla scent, and you'll see at the end how it came out. Now, vanilla is not the only fragrance that does this. I suggest that when you buy fragrances or essential oils, you read the description and you find out if it's going to darken your soap or not. I don't remember what's the terminology. I'm not sure. I know it sounds like vanilla, but I don't remember the word. But it does darken your soap. If you hear it, I'm going to put it in the description or somewhere around here. What's the word and to look for when you're buying fragrances. But last time, I don't know if you remember, I did the frankincense and myrrh soap, which was so beautiful, bright orange and beautiful blue color, teal color. And I don't know if it's the frankincense or the myrrh, but it darkened my soap. After 3 days curing, I went back to the room and I saw, and it was completely navy blue and a dark orange. And even though it smelled delicious, even though the color did change, it was very pretty soap. Actually sold out. Everybody purchased it already. But I was really looking forward to having a bright orange and a bright teal soap, but because of the fragrance, it did turn dark. Now, good thing about Candle Science and other Nature's Garden, they will tell you which one are the fragrances that might darken your soap. So that's why it's so important that you look at the description. Here, you can see I'm trying with titanium dioxide. That was a failure. You'll see at the end. I mixed it. I've done 2 soaps already with titanium dioxide, and I mixed once with water, and I didn't like the effect at the end. And this soap had the issue with, I mixed the titanium dioxide with water, that I ended up having spots. Pardon me, guys. I ended up having spots of titanium dioxide on my soap, and I really don't like that. And then I've done soap with the titanium dioxide mixed with olive oil, and that was perfect. I think that maybe I have to find out if the titanium dioxide is water soluble or if it's with oils. I know that that makes a big difference. Also with micas, there's some micas that blend better with oils. Excuse me, guys. And some micas actually mix well with water. So I would say read the labels. I make the bad habit of not reading labels sometimes, and surprise, things happen. But I'm moving forward. I'm definitely reading all the labels, making sure that the fragrance that I'm purchasing doesn't brown my soap, and also that I'm able to mix my titanium dioxide with either water or oils, and what's the best way to do this. Now, if you know a better way to mix my colors, my titanium dioxide, please leave a comment down below. I love all your comments. I love all your suggestions. I take everything and try to perfect my soap. So thank you for everybody that has given me great tips. And also, I think now that we know what's going on with the world with this virus, I think making videos, being positive, giving shout outs, telling people how much you care for them, I think this is the best time to do that. I know I'm changing a little bit the subject right now, but take a moment to call your friend, your family, your loved ones, and just reach out to them if you're far away from them and say, hey, how are you doing? And I'm here for you. And also, it's good to take your time away from TV and the news for a little bit and, watch a YouTube video, read a book, take your dogs out and walk them if you have animals or pets. And it's not that you have to be confined in your home. You can always, go out and get a fresh air, just remember to have a little bit of social distancing, because what you want to do is just to prevent the spread and not get it. But it doesn't mean that you have to be confined to your home. I think I do these videos because for me it's more therapy than anything else. Of course, I love doing soap and selling the soap as well. But believe it or not, me making soap at the beginning was something that I started because my husband got ill. And because he got ill, I was afraid that, he was going to lose his job, and I needed to find another way to, maintain our family. So I started doing soap, and I quickly learned that it helped me in so many levels. For example, it really made me feel calm, relaxed. The aroma that I was using also made me feel really relaxed. And I found a new hobby that turned into a business and turned into something that even my husband is really interested in, and the whole entire family is like working together. And it's made us all feel like nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. You learn every single day. You never stop learning. And even in difficult times, you just have to be patient, keep being kind, and of course, do whatever you can do just to keep yourself sane. So I'm going back to topic number 1, which was the vanilla, the fragrance. So here I'm cutting the soap, and you can see the outside is already super dark, and the inside is actually still the light color, but after it cures, that will completely just be dark. Now, what I wanted to show you is when I mix my titanium dioxide, this is what happened. You see those little spots of white? That's titanium dioxide not fully mixed, and I was really disappointed. Sorry, that's my dog. But yeah, I was really disappointed how the titanium dioxide did not fully mix, and it just left my soap with these little specks, and I really wanted to have like a solid light color, but I'm pretty happy. It's a solid brown color. I also love how this soap turned out to be a funny shape. This mold tends to, if you don't put something like, maybe I'm going to try this next time. If you don't put like maybe 2 books or something heavy on the side, the soap will actually expand the mold right in the middle of it. As you can see here, it's just bulky in that space right there in the middle. And that's because when I put the soap and I tap it down, for some reason that area gets to expand. But it's funny because I don't know, it looks like, my husband said it looks like bread pudding, but I say it looks like a chef hat. You'll see one of the cuts, and I'll show you later on how you can see that the top looks like a chef's hat. It's really cute. But at the end, the fragrance is so yummy. This vanilla from, I think it's from Candle Science. It just smells so good. And the soap is very nice. I tested one already because this was a while back that I made this video. And the soap is very moisturizing, and it's good. And the white titanium dioxide, that's just dissolves in water. That won't do anything. But here you see the peak on the top. It's just so cute. I think this is the one that I really loved how it looked. And you can see how this one looks more like the chef's hat, just because of this little cute peak of the side right there. I just think it's so cute. I love it. So I hope that you really enjoy this video. I know it's not one of those videos that I explain every step of what I'm doing, but here are the results after it cured. You see it's all brown and some white specks. So be safe out there. Have a great time, guys, and until the next video.